Ever had a passenger get in your car and then demand that you adjust the temperature to suit them, even if it's way too hot or way too cold for you as the driver? Well, there's some ways that you can adjust accordingly so that they can be comfortable, but you can stay comfortable and continue driving for the rest of the day. For instance, you can adjust the vents so that they're mostly hitting the back seat, and you can even cut off the vents in your side. You could also adjust and allow the passengers to roll the window down if they need to, or if you're a little hesitant to just let anyone have free reign on the windows, you can disable that feature and make it so that you are the only one that can adjust it, but always be willing to adjust the window, roll it down. Another thing that you can do is if you have heated seats, turn them on, turn them off to adjust so that you're comfortable in the car. The bottom line is that though we want to make sure that our passengers are as comfortable as possible, we always want to make sure that we're comfortable so that we can continue to drive for the entire day. Find out more about this in the entire video in the link in the description below.